Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Barnwell, a small town in southern Alberta, not far from the city of Lethbridge. Barnwell got its name from a local rancher named John Barnwell, who settled in the area in the early 1900s. The town began as a farming community, with settlers drawn by the rich soil and open prairie, perfect for growing crops and raising cattle. Over the years, Barnwell has kept its small town charm and a peaceful rural lifestyle. Whether you're driving through or stopping for a visit, Barnwell offers a warm welcome and a glimpse of Alberta's farming heritage. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Barnwell, Alberta.
Thank you very much.